Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be building a busy board for a toddler, and I'll be walking you guys through all the steps. So let's go. So this is the finished product. It has his light switch here. You can remove it to change the batteries whenever it dies on you. Little tube to put little balls in here, make it fall in the bucket. This little hook which zigzags around. Little wheel, spin it around. Little door stoppers, hinge, mechanism. Got some little doors. It has a picture. You can exchange a picture whenever you'd like. Light over there. Press the button and off, and then another little hook, little band, and this here too, little rope, and there's still some space around here to add more stuff, but for now, you know, this will get the job done. Hopefully he likes it, and I'll keep you guys updated on what my 1-year-old, see how he enjoys it. Thank you guys.